Hey everyone, welcome to Mather PE. It's a Thursday morning here in the middle of May, so we're in Cole Harbour, Nova Scotia. We're about 2 months and a little bit into this COVID pandemic shutdown, which has, caused loss of life and loss of jobs. There's a lot of fear and stress and anxiety going on. And if you're from Nova Scotia, then you know all too well about the tragedies that we've gone through in the last month with shootings in Portapic, which took one of Cole Harbour's finest. We had a helicopter that went down and took the sister of one of my students. And there's a lot of stress going on, and we're trying to find the light at the end of the tunnel here. And I'm trying to find joy in the small things. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to set up a little social experiment here that I saw done in the States. And so this is the Ministry of Silly Walks. If you're not familiar with it, look up Monty Python. It's one of their most famous skits. I'm going to try to set that up here and see if we can have a little bit of fun, a little bit of a social experiment, and try this over the next couple of days and see if I can catch people having moments of silliness that we can sort of laugh about. Hopefully they get a kick out of it, and it brightens their day and just helps us kind of get through this. If I can do anything that'll help brighten a day even for a moment, then I'll take it. Hope you enjoy. Hope it turns out. So I made two signs. They're double-sided. This is the front and this is the back of one. They're just made on poster board, and they've got some bracing in behind. I'm going to try to put them at the end of our driveway. And as people walk by, hopefully they'll feel inclined to be a little bit silly and walk from one end to the other. And we'll see what happens here. So I've got it set up now, so as they approach, they'll see the sign. Hopefully they'll be enticed to do some silly walking. Already one person walked by and they started weaving like they couldn't stop it. And I guess it does work. It's like you can't stop. And you smile the whole time. So here comes our first people down the street. I don't know if they're going to be risk takers or not, but maybe. You never know. We'll see what happens here. They're definitely reading the sign. Oh, this is fantastic. I think he's going to do it. Yeah! Yeah! I love it.